Everyone, hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So finally we have received our extension. Institute has given extension, and yes, exam form window are also open. If you are facing any error, so wait 1 or 2 days, but my suggestion, not wait for last date. Okay, fill as soon as possible. So one important question for all CMA foundation inter and final student: those earlier exams take the opt out. So what will for them? So those students need not to pay any fees, but they have to file the exam form. Okay, suppose they have opt out for any one group. So if they want to give both group, then they need not to pay for any the earlier opt out. But if you are appearing for the remaining group, so you have to pay the fees. Hope this point will be clear from your mind. Now come to what will be your strategy. Apart from this, today evening I am also coming up live to overcome or to resolve all your questions arising in your mind. Today 7:30 evening I am coming up live. Apart from this, every Sunday I am coming up live to solve all your queries whichever arising in your mind. So now what will be your strategy? So please, humble request to every foundation, inter and final student, please maximum utilization of the extension. If you are appearing in foundation, so foundation will be last attempt and you 100% going to clear the foundation. And if you are inter and final, this would be your last attempt, means 100% you are going to clear this exam. Reason behind is that you have given the extension, and please maximum utilization of the given extension. So, and I have also suggested, do not wait for the last date of exam form. After 1 or 2 days, fill your exam form and focus on the study. If you are facing any problem, then you can ask me and surely I will suggest you. So now what will be the strategy for foundation? First, we would like to discuss about foundation student. So foundation student, I am hoping you have complete your 100% syllabus and now you are revising. So it is my humble request, add on you +1, means if you are going to revise 2 times CMA foundation course, so now this time you are going to 3 time revision due to extension. Okay, and everything is available on study material. For foundation student, study material is more than sufficient. 100% MCQ is available on your study material. Revise again and again study material, MCQ available on your study material, and I can assure you that you can easily score your or clear your CMA foundation. Now come to CMA inter and CMA final student. So those CMA inter and final student thinking about the both group, humble request, please go with the both group. You have already received 1.5 month extension. Please maximum utilization, and if possible give both group. Okay, if you are hesitating, you have earlier make up your mind ki you are going with the both group, but sometime you hesitate ki whether you need to go for single group or both group. It is my humble request, if possible go with the both group. Both group have lot of benefit, guys, in campus placement, in off campus placement, or also in set off in exams marks. Okay, apart from this, I can if anyone is not comfortable in giving both group, so giving one group is also good. Okay, I have also given inter and final one group and easily cleared my CMA. So that is why you need to understand your capacity. Okay, if you are going to the both group, must go with the both group. Both group has lot of benefit, and if you are going to the single group, need not to think about what he or she, your friend, is doing. Okay, you need to understand your own capacity, and accordingly you need to take action. So it is my humble request, if you are comfortable in giving both group, go with the both group. But if you are comfortable in only one group, practice more and more. +1 formula is also applicable for inter and final, as I have earlier said with the foundation student. So please, +1 formula means you have to revise more and more time. Okay, and it is my humble request from to institute also, please upload Jan 21 exam, which will be beneficial for you guys. But till now I have also you can say that earlier as well uploaded the paper pattern. You can see and take the benefit. Apart from this, 2016 earlier paper, please must go with the model test paper, past year paper, whichever available in the institute site. You have also listened the words of recently CMA inter and final qualified. They have suggested the best strategy to clear the exam. Revise more and more, revise more and more. Apart from this, past year paper, model paper and mock paper, model paper and mock paper is the medicine to clear CMA foundation, inter and final. Please, it is my humble request to focus more and more model paper, past year paper and mock paper. Mock paper soon institute will upload. Please practice it more and more. Apart from this, you have any doubt, again and again I am saying, you have any doubt, you ask me as a friend and I will surely help you. Okay, so please, if you are going with the both group, go with the both group. But if you are not comfortable in both group, go only single group, and this attempt will be your last and clear your attempt. Okay, so Every Sunday I am coming up live. Apart from this, today itself 7:30 I am coming up live to resolve all your queries. And for exam form, do not wait. Revise again and again to subject. If you are doing self-study, so everything is available on YouTube. CMA Junction, you can see the for CMA Inter and Final. IDT, I have also, you can say that told you, Farooq Haq IDT, you will get each and everything in English. So apart from this, it is my humble request to focus and make the most use of the extension. Okay, apart from this, you have any doubt, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video. Or every Sunday I am coming up live to resolve all your queries. From my side, that's all about in this video. Keep studying, keep enjoying, and keep growing, guys. Bye guys.